Look at the color. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango smoothie. Alright, mangoes are plenty in season, so I decided to just give you a few little tips on how to do this smoothie. It's easy, it's just 1, 2, 3 and you're out. It's gonna be very refreshing for the summer for the children, and it's already loaded with vitamin C. So come on over, let us go through this process. All right, so here I have some mangoes cut up, at least one mango with a few grapes. I have 1.5 banana cut up. So if you are like me, whenever my bananas get too soft, I can't eat it, so I normally put them in my smoothies. So here you go, and I have like 2 tablespoons of vanilla plus soy milk. I have some water, and I have also some cube ice that I'm gonna be using. So let's get started, guys. So first, I'm gonna add my mango and my grape to the blender. So the mango was frozen, my banana. So let's add these. All right. I'm gonna add my milk. So you can choose to use milk or juice, whichever you prefer. It's up to you, it's your choice. You can always substitute. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my cube ice. Alright, you can choose not to add the ice if your fruits are already frozen. I'm gonna add some water. Get the blender going. Alright, put these aside, and then I'm going to proceed to blend. And there you have it, guys, all done. So I'm gonna blast this now. All done, guys, all done. I'm gonna blast it. Just look at it, like, guys, just look at it. Blast this now, guys. Okay. Look at it, guys. Look at the color, so beautiful, guys, so beautiful, so beautiful. I should have evened them up, right? Yes. So there you have it, guys, my beautiful mango smoothie. Look at the color, it looks refreshing. I know it's gonna taste good, so let me taste this one for you. Me. Guys, it tastes like ice cream. I know your children gonna love it. So go ahead and try it, guys. It's my mango smoothie. And let me tell you about mangoes. They are packed with vitamin C. If you don't like to eat mangoes, you can make them in your smoothie, in your drinks. As I said before, because I know some people don't like to eat mangoes, but they are very nutritious and they are lovely in smoothies. So go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. So guys, according to Google, mangoes are great source of magnesium and potassium, both of which are connected to lower blood pressure and regular pulse. Mangoes can help stabilize your digestive system. So as you see, as I said before, go ahead guys, you will like this flavor. It's nice, refreshing smoothie. So go ahead and try it out guys. My mango smoothie. Yes guys, go ahead and try it. You will love it. The children will love it. It is so refreshing and nice. Go ahead guys. So remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. Alright guys, so until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.